Okay, let's do a quick review over simple string handling, analyzing and replacing characters. Now here I have a scanner if I'm going to do input. I've got my class and my main. Here's the part we really care about. I have a string that has hello, how are you? And it is delimited by the equal symbol. I've got equal symbols that I actually need to replace with spaces. Just like I might want to be able to replace an L with a particular character. But it's a string, so I have to analyze this string one character at a time. Now here I have an array called hold words with a string. I can use these in other and future examples. Right now I'm just going to create a string array called hold words, and it's going to hold 10 of them. I also have some other variables set that I might use at some point in time. And notice that one of the methods I have here, if I want to find out the length of the string, meaning how many characters are in this string, for instance, I've got to know how many characters I need to analyze to replace. Well, I put that inside a variable called high. All right, let's begin. I want to look at a single character at a time, and I want to see if it is equal to the equal symbol or the assignment symbol. So here we go. Now, remember, I cannot actually change any piece of information here. I cannot change that string. The only way to do that would be able to change this into a string buffer, or I can again build my string array one character at a time. So here we go. I got to loop through and look at every single character. My looping best would be a for loop. So I can say for, and I'm going to use A. And I'm going to start it off at, for A, and I'm going to start off at 0. As long as A is less than high A plus plus. And I'm going to use A to look at that string one character at a time, the position in the string. So now I'm going to say if, now on this one I want to look and see if my character is the same as an equal symbol. So if my str on this one, I've got to tell it what position. Now, if it's not equal to this, I want to build my array. If it's equal to that, I've got to replace that with a space. So, if this is equal to, and I'm looking for that symbol, then I don't want to build my array. But I'm looking for the opposite. I'm going to say, if this is not true, then build my array. So I change that to a not. Okay. Now I can say my hold words. Now this one, I'm going to say my hold words. Now I've got to keep up with this because it's not just A I'm replacing, that is the one I'm analyzing. So here I've got to also use another one, and I'll use C because I started it at 0. So my hold words, C is going to be my str A. Now I've got to make sure that I move forward so I don't accidentally wipe out my C. Now that I've got 2 lines of code, With this if, I've got to block it. If it's more than one line, you have to block it. My next one is else. Now again, if this is true, then I need to put a space there. So my hold words position C is going to be a space. Okay. Now, since I do need to move it forward with C, if the formula is going to be in the true and the false, then it really has no place being in the decision. I need to move forward no matter what. So that means I should put that up with my A increment also. C plus plus. Okay. Now on my for loop, I've got to end it. And all I've done through is analyzed one letter at a time, one character at a time, compared it. If it was not the symbol I wanted to throw out, then I put it inside the array. If it was the symbol, because this was false, I wanted to throw out, then I substituted with whichever one was here. Ended it. Now my hold words has hello space how space are space you space. And I need to make sure that the size of my hold words is just the same size as my string, because that's how many characters I'm going to put in hold words. So I'm going to put str.length. I could have taken and put this below line 8. Then I could have just used the variable high since it's already set. If I wanted to check my work, I could do a system.out.print here. I'd want to system.exit. And I'm done. Hope this very, very basic quick review helped you.